Hi guys and girls, welcome Legends Online. Coming your way in this episode, 181 divided by 181, which equals 1, and 181 divided by 181 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 181 divided by 181 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 181 divided by 181, and we can write this part as 1 over 181 divided by 181. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 181 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 181, which equals 1 over 32,761, and this is our final answer for this problem. Like, subscribe and comment your favorite part. Thanks for watching.